LCD removal. To begin, get your Torx T6 screwdriver and begin by moving back the wires, revealing two Torx T6 screws holding the hinge. There are two different types of screws holding the hinge together. One completely threaded and one halfway threaded. The halfway threaded screw always goes closest to the logic board. Remove the last screw from the hinge. You will want to hold the LCD to keep it from falling backwards once you remove the last screw. Once the last screw is removed, lift up and out to remove the LCD.